Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can extend time in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live on my mobile. So the first thing that we're gonna do is join a match. For example, I'm gonna click on limited time events and choose any event from this list. For example, I'm gonna click here, click on play, and then wait for the game to load. Click on play again. And right now the match is loading. While the match is loading, we're gonna see some tips right here. And as you can see, guys, now the match is loaded. So the first thing, we're gonna pass the ball to someone. And then basically, guys, if you want to extend time, try to just play pass to your teammates and not score at every chance. So just try to play passes and try to not give the ball to the other team. So now he took the ball. We're gonna try to block him. So again, we're gonna pass the ball to our teammates. Make sure that you don't let the ball in one player's hand, because if you didn't pass the ball, you're gonna give the ball to the other team. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.